Here's a 2015 Lexus NX200T. By combining intuitive technology with a design that's aggressive on the outside and comforting on the inside, this NX200T takes the crossover beyond utility. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend writes, "Our big takeaway is that the NX200T feels plenty powerful." Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Toyota of North Miami. Call, click, or come see us today so we can exceed your expectations. We're conveniently located at 16,600 Northwest 2nd Avenue in beautiful Miami, Florida.